Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about market equilibrium. Before starting with the main concept, let's recap the concept of demand and supply. We all know that there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied, and there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Both demand and supply are two blades of a scissor, and intersection of demand and supply determines the actual or equilibrium price in the market. That is, the point where demand and supply intersect is the equilibrium point, and the price corresponding to this is the equilibrium price, and quantity corresponding to it is the equilibrium quantity. In case price is not same as the equilibrium price, then there will be either shortage or surplus in the market. It can be seen that if price in the market is below than the equilibrium price, then at this point quantity demanded will exceed quantity supplied, leading to a shortage of commodity in the market. Whereas on the other hand, if current price in the market is more than the equilibrium price, then quantity supply will exceed quantity demanded, leading to a surplus of that good in the market. Thus, equilibrium price is the price where demand and supply are equal, and at this price there is neither surplus nor shortage of the good. But now the next question that arises here is, does equilibrium price always remain same? Answer is no. Equilibrium price also changes due to changes in demand and supply. That is, when demand and supply curve shifts, equilibrium price also changes. Let's analyze it with the help of different cases. Case 1. Demand increases. Let's say a new blockbuster movie is released and demand for tickets increases. As the demand for tickets will increase, there will be a shortage of tickets at the existing price. Thus, buyers will bid for the higher price, and as a result, sellers will increase the price. Due to increase in the price, demand will contract and supply will expand. And thus, there will be an increase in the equilibrium price and quantity in the market. Let's analyze it with the help of the diagram. If this point represents the original equilibrium with P1 as the equilibrium price and Q1 as the equilibrium quantity, then due to increase in the supply of movie tickets, demand curve will shift rightward from D1 to D2. At the existing price with unchanged supply, there will be a shortage of tickets in the market as represented by this blue line. Because of shortage of tickets in the markets, buyers will bid for the higher price, and as a result, sellers will increase the price. This increase in price will lead to contraction of demand and expansion of supply as shown by the arrows. And the price will keep increases till new equilibrium is established here, where new demand curve and the existing supply curve intersect. At the new equilibrium point, there is an increase in the equilibrium price and an increase in the equilibrium quantity. Thus, an increase in demand leads to an increase in the equilibrium price and increase in the equilibrium quantity. Coming to case 2, demand decreases. Let's say concerts become cheap, and thus demand for movie tickets, which is a substitute for concerts, decreases. Due to decrease in the market demand for movie tickets, there will be a surplus of movie tickets. In order to clear the surplus or excess supply, sellers will decrease the price of tickets. As the price of tickets will decrease, supply will contract and demand will expand. Thus, price and quantity will decrease. This can be again explained with the help of the diagram. Let's assume that this point represents the original equilibrium. Due to decrease in the demand for movie ticket, demand curve shifts leftward from D1 to D2. At the original price P1, there is a situation of excess supply. Now, in order to clear the excess supply, sellers will bring down the prices. As the prices will decrease, supply will contract and demand will expand. A new equilibrium will be established here with decreased price and decrease in the equilibrium quantity. Thus, it can be seen that when demand decreases, both equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity also decreases. Next case, supply decreases. Let's say government increases tax on selling the tickets. Then it will lead to a decrease in the supply of movie tickets. As a result of decrease in the supply, there will be a shortage of tickets in the market. Thus, buyers will bid for the higher price, and as a result, sellers will increase the price. Due to increase in the price, supply will expand and the demand will contract, leading to an increase in price and a decrease in the quantity demanded. This can be explained again with the help of a diagram. Let's assume this point represented the original equilibrium with P1 as the equilibrium price and Q1 as the equilibrium quantity. Due to increase in the tax on selling tickets, the supply curve of tickets will shift from S1 to S2. As a result of this, at the existing equilibrium price, there will be a shortage of the movie tickets. Because of the shortage, buyers will bid for the higher price and thus sellers will increase the price. Due to increase in the price, demand will contract and supply will expand, leading to establishment of new equilibrium at this point. At the new equilibrium, there is an increase in the equilibrium price and a decrease in the equilibrium quantity. Thus, it can be seen that as supply decreases, there is an increase in the equilibrium price and a decrease in the equilibrium quantity. Next case, supply increases. Let's say that due to digital movement, there is a reduction in the cost of the movie theaters and thus movie theaters increases the supply of movie seats and thus movie tickets. Due to increase in supply, there will be an excess supply at the existing price. In order to clear the excess supply of movie seats, sellers will decrease the price. Due to decrease in the price, supply will contract and demand will expand. As a result, equilibrium price will decrease and quantity will increase. Let's check it out with the help of the diagram. If initial equilibrium was at this point with P1 as the equilibrium price and Q1 as the equilibrium quantity. Due to reduction in cost, there is an increase in the supply of movie tickets. The supply curve shifts right from S1 to S2. As a result of this shift, at the original equilibrium price, there will be a situation of excess supply of movie tickets. Due to the excess supply of the movie tickets, suppliers will decrease the price. As a result, supply will contract, demand will expand, and new equilibrium will be established here where existing demand curve and new supply curve intersect. At the new equilibrium point, there is a decrease in the price and an increase in the quantity. Thus, it can be seen that as supply increases, equilibrium price decreases and equilibrium quantity increases. Thus,